Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at ADA USD, which is Cardano quoted in US dollar. Now since in our last video we did take a look at this descending triangle, and we covered the fact that this descending triangle was pointing to a downward price, and after the descending triangle, after we break below the descending triangle, we did backtest the descending triangle, and then we sold off a bit here. As you can see, we did have a small correction all the way down to the 1.04 level. We didn't go as far. We talked about the psychological level of 1 and how strong that level is, and if we do break below this level we could see ADA USD revert and become bearish. However, it didn't even touch the level of 1, which just shows that this here is a strong area of demand. There's a lot of buyers and a lot of buying coming in here. As you can see, below the level of 106 we spent very little time. We just went down and then quickly buyers came in, and then we tested it again and then buyers came in again, which just shows you that this is a very strong area of demand here. Now, since our last video, we did break above. As you can see, we discussed that in our last video. We did break above here. However, we did fail to break the level of 1.27. We did fail to break the level of 1.27, and then we sold off a bit. The level of 1.27, as you can see here, is a Fibonacci retracement level as you can see here. So we did break, tested it, and then now we're trading sideways. We are consolidating for now. Now we do have this support, the previous resistance here of around 1.116, 117 area, and we are at that support at the moment. This area is also strong because we did have that support around here, and we did have that resistance around here. And you can go past, we did have a support around here, support around here. So this, sorry about that, this here is a very strong area right now. If we do break below it, we could do a double bottom, which is going back down, maybe test the level 1 or back test these levels here of around 1.08, 1.07 before having the move up. For now, the sentiment and the trend when it comes to ADUSD is bullish. We're going to take a look at the daily chart, and as you can see here, we are in a bull market right now. We are in an upward trend at the moment. In fact, if we do add in the EMA, exponential moving average of 30, well, let's see, put in there you go. So right now we are trading above. I'm going to make it a little bit clearer here. We're trading above this level here of this EMA. And this EMA has done a very good job. So there's two EMAs that I take into consideration when it comes to the crypto markets in the daily charts, is the 34 and the 55. The 34 here, as you can see, we always braked above it. Here we did have a little bit of slippage, but then the buyers came in quick, as you can see. So right now this EMA is going, maybe we're gonna do backtest the EMA before we go up. But in my opinion right now it is a good time to buy Cardano, because the price will be compressed between this EMA and this resistance here, and the price has to make a choice, either go up or go down. If it goes down, then the level of 1 would be the next level. If you do break below the level of 1, well then it is a very bearish scenario. However, in my opinion, that's a very low probability scenario. It could happen, but it's very low probability. But the most probable scenario is a move to the upside, a move back towards the first target would be to take these highs here, which I think we're going to take fairly easily here, and then the next level would be the level of 1.45. And if we do take that level 145, as you can see, 145, 148 area, the previous two resistance we did sold off pretty hard every time we touched it. So if we do take this level, then we could look at the 1.7 level, and the 1.7 level in my opinion is the next target for Cardano if you do take these targets around here. Now Now I want to do something a little bit special today, which is to share with you an indicator that I usually use for scalping, very short term trading. However, it is very accurate as well in the hourly chart, in the 4-hour chart as well when it comes to crypto. And that indicator is the CCI. The CCI is the Commodity Channel Index, and as you can see here, it has two bands, and in these two bands there's the 200 level. So the signal would be given if we do get a break above or below the 200 level plus a divergence. This is very important. So we will take a look at here at how you could have known that this level here, that right now you should be careful locking in profit or protecting positions. So as you can see, we reach 330 in this in the CCI, the 26th of March at 12 here. And we're gonna look at the last time we braked above the 200. And the last time we braked above the 200 was here, was the 19th of March at 8. So the CCI was around 233, around 240, 235 here. But the price was around 1.34. So as you can see, the price dropped, but the CCI went up. So it is a divergence, as you can see. And when we have this divergence plus a break to the upside, then it is a good signal to buy. So you can it is a good signal in this case. It is a good signal to sell. However, it is accurate as well when it comes to buying. So if we did have the same scenario but for buying, so right now we did have a break below here. And if, let's say, we do backtest here, but the price is down, and then we do have a divergence here, then it would be a good time to buy. But I wanted to share this with you because it is a very good indicator to kind of tell you that, you know, it is time to be careful and to protect yourself, protect your position, and maybe in locking in some profit. Nobody went broke by booking profit. Maybe you would miss on the move, but at least it is a safe play. Or you can lock in some profit and then leave positions open and manage your risk with that position that you'll leave open. So these are the things that I wanted to share with you in today's videos. And this was ADA USD, and if you have any questions, please do let us know, and see you on the next video.